Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You are watching Technoblend, and today we are going to talk about the new F19 Pro and F19 Pro 5G. Let's move ahead and talk about this in the video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel or new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video. Oppo has launched its new smartphone in F series, which is gonna be Oppo F19 Pro and F19 Pro Plus 5G. Let's see what are the difference between these two smartphones. They are going to be available for sale from tomorrow itself, which is gonna be March 17, 2021. Let's quickly start with this video without wasting any time and talk about their performance factor. Talking about the performance factor of both these two smartphones, the F19 Pro is coming up with MediaTek Helio P95 of processor, and on the other side the F19 Pro Plus 5G is coming up with MediaTek Dimensity 800U of processor, which both these two smartphones in F19 Pro you will get a CPU speed up to 2.2 GHz, and on the other side in F19 Pro Plus 5G you will get a CPU speed of 2.4 GHz. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about their display part and build part of both these two smartphones. Talking about the build quality of F19 Pro and F19 Pro Plus 5G, both these two smartphones are coming up with plastic back on the back side, so it is basically a plastic design. Talking about the thickness provided in both these two smartphones are very sleek in design. You will get a 7.8 millimeter of thickness in both these two smartphones, and on the other side the weight distribution of both these two smartphones, in F19 Pro you will get a weight up to 172 gram, and in F19 Pro Plus 5G you will get a weight up to 173 gram of both these two smartphones. Talking about the display factor, the F19 Pro and F19 Pro Plus 5G are coming up with Super AMOLED display, which is going to provide you with 60 Hz of refresh rate, and on the other side both these two smartphones are going to provide you with 130 Hz of touch sampling rate in normal mode, and if you are using both these two smartphones in game mode you will get a touch sampling rate up to 180 Hz. So isn't it amazing? Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the camera part, which is the most important part in both these two smartphones. Let's quickly start with the camera part. Talking about the camera part of both these two smartphones comes with 48 megapixel of main camera, with 8 megapixels of ultra wide camera, with 2 megapixel of macro camera and 2 megapixel of mono camera. All this are quad camera setup as powered by AI. You will get a benefit of AI by it will make your video or you highlight from the video, or your photos will be highlighted automatically or autofocused by the AI itself. Talking about the selfie camera, in both these two smartphones you will get a 16 megapixel of selfie camera. The video quality, if you record from the rear camera, you will get up to 4K video recording. In selfie camera you will get up to 1080p of recording. Let's move ahead and talk about the battery part of both these two smartphones. Talking about the battery part of both these two smartphones, in F19 Pro and F19 Pro Plus 5G you will get a 4310 mAh of battery. In F19 Pro you will get a 30 volt of flash charger. In F19 Pro Plus 5G you will get a 50 volt of super fast charger inside the box itself. So don't worry, Oppo has not yet started not giving charger inside the box, or you have to buy it from outside. You will get a charger inside the box itself. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about some additional features. Talking about some additional features about both these two smartphones. Both these two smartphones are gonna run on Color OS 11, which is the latest OS of Oppo Android version. Talking about the protection part, the F19 Pro Plus 5G is gonna be protected with Gorilla Glass 5. Talking about the fingerprint, both these two smartphones are coming up with in-display fingerprint sensor 3.0. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the variants provided in both these two smartphones. Talking about the variants provided in both these two smartphones, the F19 Pro is coming up with two variants, which is gonna be 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage. On the other side, the F19 Pro Plus 5G is coming up with only one variant, which is gonna be 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the colors provided in both these two smartphones. Talking about the colors provided in both these two smartphones are coming up with two colors, which are gonna be fluid black and space silver. This is all about today's video. What do you think about F19 Pro and F19 Pro Plus 5G? Please mention below down in the comment box and tell me, are you going for it or not? If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata, bye bye.